How to send Roblox link in Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sending a Roblox game link on Discord. So here's how you can share it. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, open the Roblox game that you want to share. Once it is opened, hover over to the URL box in the top, select all of it, and then right-click on it and select Copy. Once it has been copied on your clipboard, open Discord, go to the channel where you want to share the Roblox game link, go to the message box, and then simply type Ctrl+V on your keyboard, and this will paste the copied link from your keyboard. Simply hit send, and you'll be done. Now your friend can click the link and jump directly into the game that you want to play. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can send Roblox link in your Discord. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.